How to fix Gmail error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail error on Android phone. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Gmail and click on it, and after that click storage and then clear cache, and now click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and then click force stop and go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just open Play Store and then check if there's an update for your Gmail, and then just click update, and that's it for today's video. And if that also doesn't fix it, just restart your phone and try again, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.